What if I told you that there are fighter jets so extreme, so fast, and so lethal that they could wipe entire air forces out of the sky in a matter of minutes? It may sound exaggerated, but it isn't. For decades, the world's superpowers have been fighting a silent war in the skies, a technological race where the goal is no longer just to fly faster, but to see first, strike first, and destroy before being detected. We are talking about aircraft invisible to radar, capable of penetrating impossible defenses, fighters that reach hypersonic speeds, crossing continents in minutes, machines with integrated artificial intelligence, capable of fighting without a human pilot, and true aerial monsters designed to dominate the sky completely. Today on TECHZNX, you are about to discover the 10 most extreme fighter jets ever created by humanity. You're real machines, brutal technology, and air power pushed to its absolute limit. So tighten your seatbelt, because what you're about to see is not the future of air warfare. It is the peak of aerial dominance. Let's begin. Top 10. Dassault Rafale. The Rafale was not built to impress with raw numbers. It was built to win wars through intelligence, precision, and total versatility. This French fighter represents the most refined concept of a modern multi-role platform, an aircraft capable of dominating air-to-air combat, executing surgical strikes on land and sea, performing advanced electronic warfare, and carrying tactical nuclear weapons, all within a single mission. Its greatest strength is sensor fusion. The Rafale doesn't just see the battlefield, it understands it. Its radar, optical systems, infrared sensors, and electronic warfare suite operate as a single brain, giving the pilot a complete real-time picture of everything happening hundreds of kilometers away. In close combat, its extreme maneuverability makes it a deadly opponent. Its Delta Canard aerodynamic design allows impossible turns, instant vector changes, and high-G maneuvers that very few fighters can replicate. In the right hands, the Rafale is a fast, agile, and precise predator. But its true terror lies in surgical strike capability. It can penetrate hostile airspace, evade defenses, identify strategic targets, and eliminate them with surgical precision, minimizing collateral damage. And if required, it can carry nuclear weapons. The Rafale is not the biggest, not the fastest, not the stealthiest, but it is one of the most complete, balanced, and deadly fighters ever built. An aircraft that wins not through brute force, but through intelligence and total control of modern combat. And this is only number 10. Top 9. Eurofighter Typhoon. If the Rafale is a scalpel, the Eurofighter is a hypersonic hammer. This fighter was built with a single objective: to dominate the sky through raw power. Its speed is simply brutal. Capable of supercruise, it can sustain supersonic speeds without afterburners, allowing it to enter combat, strike, and exit before the enemy even understands what happened. But its real nightmare begins in close combat. Its extreme aerodynamic design, combined with advanced fly-by-wire controls, allows high-G maneuvers, impossible turns, and near-instant directional changes. In a dogfight, the Typhoon is a pure predator. Add to that a devastating technological arsenal, AESA radar, long-range infrared sensors, advanced electronic warfare, and beyond-visual range missiles capable of eliminating targets before they even see it coming. The pilot doesn't fly the Typhoon. He commands it like an extension of his own body. In real combat, this aircraft can clear the skies in minutes, open air corridors for bombers, and guarantee total air superiority. The Eurofighter doesn't hide, it dominates. Top 8. Su-35S Flanker E. If there is a fighter that breaks the laws of physics, it is the Su-35S. This aircraft was not designed to be elegant, it was designed to dominate through brute force. Its most terrifying feature is its three-dimensional thrust vectoring engines. The result? Impossible maneuvers, mid-air braking, extreme turns, instant direction changes. As in close combat, the Su-35 doesn't chase, it traps. It can reach extreme angles of attack without stalling, point its nose anywhere, and fire missiles from positions that seem aerodynamically impossible. In a dogfight, it usually fires first. But it's not just muscle. Its Irbis radar can detect targets at massive distances, track multiple enemies, and guide long-range missiles capable of killing before detection. And then there is its presence. It doesn't hide. It dominates the sky like a massive predator. Where a Su-35 enters, the sky is no longer neutral. It becomes Russian territory. Top 7. F-15EX Eagle II. While the world obsesses over stealth, the United States did something completely different. It built the most heavily armed non-stealth fighter ever. The F-15EX doesn't hide. It doesn't need to. Its AESA radar can detect, track, and prioritize targets at massive distances. It sees first, locks first, fires first, and in modern warfare, that means winning before visual contact. But what truly sets it apart is its payload capacity. It can carry more air-to-air missiles than any other fighter on Earth, a flying missile platform. It can launch massive salvos, coordinate swarm attacks, and clear the skies like a mobile anti-air system. And it goes even further. It is capable of carrying hypersonic weapons, meaning it can strike strategic targets at speeds impossible to intercept. Bases, radars, command centers gone in minutes. The F-15EX is not just a fighter, it is an airborne arsenal. Where it flies, air superiority is no longer a possibility. It becomes a certainty. Top 6. J-20 Mighty Bursu, Mighty Dragon. China didn't want just a stealth fighter. It wanted an invisible predator. The J-20 is designed around one philosophy: see first, shoot first, kill without being seen. Its stealth structure and radar-absorbing materials allow it to penetrate advanced defenses undetected. While enemy radars see nothing, the J-20 is already inside, but stealth is only the beginning. It integrates distributed sensors across the entire aircraft, detecting electromagnetic emissions, heat signatures, and distant targets, all fused into one combat system. Its internal weapons bay carries long-range missiles designed to kill before detection, and with new engines, it achieves true supercruise. But its real role is strategic. It is the spearhead of China's anti-access strategy. Its mission: destroy enemy fighters, eliminate AWACS aircraft, take down aerial tankers, and blind the enemy. In simple terms, cut the enemy's wings before they can even take off. Top 5. Su-57. Felon. Russia did not want to copy the Western stealth fighter concept. It wanted to create something completely different. And the result was the Su-57 Felon, an aircraft designed not only to be invisible, but to dominate aerial combat in the most brutal way ever seen. Unlike other stealth fighters, the Su-57 does not sacrifice maneuverability for low observability. It combines reduced radar signature with extreme supermaneuverability thanks to its three-dimensional thrust vectoring engines, capable of performing movements that no other combat aircraft can replicate. This allows it to change direction mid-flight, brake almost instantly, rotate on its own axis, and position itself behind the enemy within seconds. In close combat, it is simply a nightmare. But its true terror begins long before the enemy can even see it. The Su-57 integrates distributed sensors across the entire fuselage, next-generation AESA radars, and infrared optical systems capable of detecting stealth aircraft at long distances. In other words, it can see the invisible. On top of that, it is capable of carrying hypersonic air-to-air missiles designed to destroy targets at speeds that are practically impossible to intercept. A single launch can eliminate fighters, bombers, AWACS aircraft, or aerial tankers from extreme distances, collapsing entire air operations in seconds. And as if that weren't enough, the Felon was designed as the center of a combat network, coordinating attack drones, ground sensors, naval radars, and even space-based systems, turning it into a flying brain of the modern battlefield. But the Su-57 does not dominate only the air. It is fully capable of precision strikes against ground targets, electronic warfare, suppression of enemy air defenses, and deep penetration into hostile territory, all while remaining undetected. In other words, an invisible hunter, maneuverable like a hummingbird, armed like a bomber, and connected like a satellite. The Su-57 is not just a fighter, it is a platform of total supremacy. Top 4 F-35. Lightning II. The F-35 was never designed to be just a fighter. It was created to completely change the way war is fought. It is not an aircraft, it is a flying brain connected to the entire battlefield. The Lightning II integrates one of the most advanced sensor fusion systems ever built, combining AESA radars, infrared sensors, optical cameras, electronic warfare systems, and satellite data links into a single interface, giving the pilot a complete vision of the battlefield. While other pilots see points on a radar, the F-35 pilot sees the entire war in real time. Enemies, allies, threats, missile trajectories, priority targets, and safe routes, all processed by artificial intelligence. But its real power is not just what it sees, it's what it controls. The F-35 acts as an airborne command center, coordinating drone swarms, allied fighters, ships, satellites, missile defense systems, and ground forces, turning every operation into a perfectly synchronized strike. In real combat, this creates something devastating. The enemy is detected, identified, classified, and eliminated before even realizing it is under attack. Its extreme stealth allows it to penetrate the most heavily defended airspaces on Earth, shut down radar systems, destroy command centers, neutralize air defenses, and open invisible corridors for the rest of the fleet. And when it's time to strike, the F-35 deploys an arsenal capable of destroying strategic targets with surgical precision, without triggering early warnings and without leaving any time to react. On top of that, its electronic warfare system is so advanced that it can blind enemy sensors, distort radar signals, deceive missiles, and collapse entire air defense networks. The result is terrifying, an aircraft capable of seeing everything, controlling everything, and destroying everything, without ever being seen. The F-35 does not seek to dominate air combat, it seeks to dominate the entire war. Top 3. MiG-31 Foxhound. The MiG-31 was not built for dogfights. It was not designed for maneuvering, close combat, or aerial acrobatics. It was built for one single purpose: to hunt and destroy any aerial threat before it even gets close. And to do that, Russia created the fastest, most brutal interceptor ever built. With speeds approaching Mach 3, the Foxhound can cover hundreds of kilometers in minutes, intercept strategic bombers, cruise missiles, and even hypersonic threats long before they reach their targets. But its true terror appears when its most devastating weapon enters the equation: the Kinjal hypersonic missile. While launched from a modified MiG-31, this missile accelerates to speeds that are virtually impossible to intercept, maneuvers mid-flight, and strikes with devastating precision. A single hit can destroy aircraft carriers, underground bunkers, air bases, and strategic command centers within seconds. This transforms the MiG-31 into something far more dangerous than an interceptor. It turns it into a hypersonic strike platform. Its Zaslon radar, one of the most powerful ever installed on a fighter, can detect targets at massive distances, track multiple threats simultaneously, and coordinate attacks with other interceptors, forming an almost impenetrable aerial wall. During the Cold War, the MiG-31 was built to stop American nuclear bombers. However, today, it has become the airborne launcher of one of the most feared weapons on Earth: fast, brutal, lethal. The Foxhound does not fight, it executes. And if this monster sits at number 3, Top 2. F-22 Raptor. It was designed to kill without being seen, and in that role, it has no equal. The F-22 represents the highest level ever achieved in absolute air superiority. An aircraft capable of detecting, tracking, locking, and destroying enemy targets before they even realize they are under attack. Its stealth is so extreme that, for most radar systems, it simply does not exist. And when it appears, it is already too late. But the Raptor is not just invisible, it is brutally fast. Thanks to its super cruise capability, it can sustain supersonic speeds without afterburners, allowing it to strike, disengage, and reposition, without being detected by infrared systems. Add to that insane maneuverability, powered by thrust vectoring engines, allowing impossible turns, instant direction changes, and extreme aerial maneuvers that no conventional fighter can replicate. But its true power lies in its electronic brain. The F-22 fuses radar data, infrared sensors, electronic warfare systems, and satellite links to build a complete real-time picture of the battlefield. While the enemy sees chaos, the Raptor sees everything: every movement, every heat signature, every radar signal. In real combat, its record is simply terrifying. Hundreds of simulated kills without a single loss. A level of dominance so overwhelming that the United States banned its export, keeping it as an exclusive asset of American air power. Yes, the F-22 does not defend the sky, it controls it. And if this is number 2, what comes next is not just a fighter. It is the absolute limit of what humanity has achieved in aerial combat. Top 1. SR-71 and SR-72. If everything before felt extreme, this goes beyond fighter aircraft entirely. This belongs to the realm of the impossible. The SR-71 Blackbird was not just an aircraft, it was a technological anomaly. A machine capable of flying above Mach 3 at stratospheric altitudes, crossing continents in minutes, without any air defense system on Earth being able to touch it. For decades, it was the fastest manned aircraft ever built, capable of penetrating defenses, conducting reconnaissance missions, and returning safely, even after more than 4,000 missiles were fired at it. The result? Zero shootdowns, zero confirmed hits, absolute dominance of the upper sky. But what comes next is even more terrifying. The SR-72, known as the son of Blackbird, does not aim for Mach 3, it aims for Mach 6. We are talking about hypersonic speeds, where an aircraft can cross oceans in minutes, execute reconnaissance, strike, or intercept missions before the enemy even understands what is happening. A system capable of launching hypersonic weapons, penetrating any airspace, evading any radar, and disappearing before any response exists. At that speed, there are no interceptors, no air defense systems, no reaction time. The SR-72 represents the future of absolute air combat. Platforms combining hypersonic speed, extreme stealth, space-level sensors, and instant global strike capability. It is not a fighter. It is not a bomber. It is not a reconnaissance aircraft. It is a black arrow cutting through the atmosphere, a strategic weapon capable of deciding wars before they even begin. That is why it takes the #1 position, because when a machine can cross the planet in minutes, observe everything, and strike anywhere. And there you have it, 10 fighters so extreme, so advanced, and so lethal that they have permanently changed the rules of aerial warfare. Machines built to dominate the sky, break through impossible defenses, and decide wars in a matter of minutes. Today, power is no longer measured in soldiers or tanks. It is measured in speed, stealth, artificial intelligence, and total control of the airspace. The real question is, are we witnessing the final generation of manned fighters? Or the beginning of a new era where machines decide the outcome of wars? Let us know your opinion in the comments. Which of these fighters impressed you the most? And which one would you want to see in action? And if you're passionate about extreme military technology, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because on TECHZNX, there are still many secrets left to reveal. See you in the next episode.